Hey viewers and subscribers, it's your boy Who's Who here. We're here with some sad news. We're going to sell Gaza tomorrow. Some incidents have been occurring since I sold his mate, and we can't really contain him anymore. He's getting a bit rowdy. So I look forward for that video tomorrow as well. But today we're here just to help one of our friends to just pick some of her, I don't even know what they're called. What name again? I don't know if a bungu or spinach or I don't know. You know, in St. Mary, as well as to get some pine suckers and stuff like that. Let us tune in for today. I'm a bit sad, can hear it in my tone of voice because, you know, I raised Gaza from he was about 3 months, you know, come up and fell. So after letting him go, it kind of saddened me, but that's just how the way the business is. You can't really get too attached to these animals. But we're gonna do our best tomorrow. So I've already called the meat truck and everything for him because I decided that I'm not going to sell him to somebody else. I'm just gonna have him, you know, go to the slaughterhouse. So yeah, we're also going to purchase some new animals tomorrow as well, to replace him in the pen. So just watch out for that. Stay tuned, guys. Yeah, so we're basically just picking some string beans. You can pick some of them because as I can see them, I'm still thin out. But I'm find a good one showing, for example. This is one. You feel it? This is how you know the good one. Yeah, so these are just some pigs. They're not mine. Telling you the truth from now, they're not mine. But I used to raise pigs when I was small. It was the first business I actually went into. It took a lot of capital. And at the time I had about, I think the most I've ever had was, I think, probably 15, 16. But it was me and my dad in the business. But I don't know, pigs are difficult to raise. They eat a lot. You have to know what to feed them. You have to know which feeding to give them at certain time in the year. So yeah, but I would do it because I love the raising pigs, but I don't see myself going back into it because I just don't see how I can make money off it anymore. You know, because the market is so up and down. This time you can get a pig for $20,000, $25,000, and then all of a sudden the next month pig sell for $9,000. So the market just, it fluctuates too much. So that's the drawback with pigs. Yeah. Karen, go look on the go around here.
Jesus, I'll make a big saucer.
No, you want to see the other one down there, so? You see how them just automatically put the grass in this and they just come down and eat it. And this is like a... This is like what?
Grains.
Yeah, can't no mix up with grains and fever grass and cook up. And the salt black.
Then get salt black too?
Yeah, see salt black, you know. This side, for instance, say beef, this is measure.
Yeah.
As you can see, might be a more graded for the big one right here. Based on the ears, you can say them come full grade, pure.
Where you look on? You look on them ears?
Yeah, you know it's the ears and know them. The type of board. Like board, you know the quality, like some of them are highly graded. But like him, you can say man full grade based on the ears. Over females compared to his uncle's ears. I didn't even reach 1 years old, I say. So by the time him to reach 2, my uncle actually 2 now. Yeah? Bro. Yeah, see how you man. Bro, stay there.
You doing this movie?
He just come back and farm. He have not paid him, so we just collect him. Come, science. Come, science.
Sneeze.
Come.
Them big.
Come,
That
science. Come.
That's the thing just
Me too.
Yeah, because like how the place organized.
Of course, me what you want goat that color they like Dalmatian.
Oh, yo.
On him.
My grandpa.
Yeah.
So that's how they want to register everything.
Yeah, so that's how you register lab. Everything. So like him now, up this now, we know say, in my family, him, you service them now. So record every kid about and say, him take them picture. So you know we are going to keep him, we are going to let him go, because you're not going to use him back with service, you can't sell it. I must get a 3-4 ram from him.
So the person actually come and say, here what, no want a ram, give me him for the 145.
Yeah, persons actually come and ask. Yeah, man. So like how the one up there, so most likely them are going to sell him, because they say, you have produce problem, we just want to have that highly graded cheap.
Oh.
And we actually have him quality to jump, we just have a million quality to don't see them the arts and it. How we get orders, so we just create them, we have to over 25 pounds, so we just create them, because we have the cane fields around and then there are, so we just cut them and press them with the machine. Sell them sometimes, but we usually use them for animals.
So when you tell them how much you sell
We buy art. Tell you, like if we pass out them and sell at $1,000 one and them. But we know that we sell it at 600 or 500 or 700. And we still not going to do like them. We find it hard to really take up grass to sell the $1,000 one. So we sell them 700 and them price. And we actually have some orders, you know. Something.
Oh. The guy with me by my got them from 120 instead of them. He said them buy them from 120 you tell me.
Like how them tag them though.
Yeah, and I see them.
When I tag them through radar. Oh, they tag them from the ears. Wanna do them on a cell?
No, we
Yes,
must say, yeah,
tag
they do
them,
them
we have a
inside.
machine to keep them. So we know like for instance when I give them medicine, vaccine them up.
Oh, you know who get.
Already, we know. Just a record and black. So all of them know with it so right? Go keep the see him every time. Trying to find him way over all over road and find him a walk. The reason how they will tie him up and get back in composure, mix him back around here and let him feel love with them and them. And the next day we find out saying find himself a bush with them, no more problem. So you don't have to really sell him, but if you want to sell him,
To be honest, I don't want to sell him because I'm high, like I'm high and you just want to put some more with it. Big bull. So guys, we're at the end of the video. We did a lot of interesting things today, but that's it for the day. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and comment, and look out for the next video. All right, peace.